When ECS walks into a building to perform an electrical maintenance inspection, it's common to find things that just shouldn't be there. Some of these irregularities occur due to age, environment, everyday wear and tear, or just dirt and dust from being in the facility over time. Typically, electrical and fire systems are tucked away in a back room, which means these irregularities can go unnoticed for some time. If left unmaintained, these systems could fail when you need them the most. This is where ECS can help. It's our job to find and correct any issues, preventing catastrophic events like personal injuries, fires, and property loss. Our electrical preventive maintenance programs make sure your systems are operating safely, reliably, and efficiently, so when you need them, they work as designed. We deliver peace of mind so you can stay focused on what's in front of you. We'll worry about what's in the back. And what we find rarely surprises us. On this job, we came across a utility knife left behind inside the breaker panel. Metal objects like this knife are excellent energy conductors. When in close proximity to energized equipment, they can cause a short. Even everyday items, like wearing a watch while working around an electrical panel, can cause a short, or worse yet, a shock. Here's another forgotten tool, a wire brush left behind on a bus bar. This is a catastrophic event waiting to happen. During another inspection, we found a fish tape left in a wiring run. This can create a shorter path to ground and the potential for extensive equipment damage and bodily harm. During a typical preventive maintenance inspection, we clean, inspect, and exercise your electrical equipment per NFPA 70B, recommended practice for electrical equipment maintenance. During our electrical infrared study, we use infrared thermography to reveal hot spots in electrical equipment, behind walls, and inside cabinets. Potential hazards in wiring, electrical connections, and electrical equipment are always on our radar. Preventive maintenance inspections should be performed at least annually, but every 6 months may be necessary depending on your business. At ECS, we provide comprehensive electrical system services, from design and installation to preventive maintenance and even predictive maintenance planning. We work nationwide and respond to emergencies 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. Our reports are accessible online at any time. We treat your facility like we work there. At ECS, we protect what matters most: your people, property, process, production, and profit.